currently
happening. Yes, it's on the process. Yes. Also, you did mention that most of the achievements that Sri Lanka has had is not, known to so many people. So, what are the achievements that we've had?
Now, in terms of, the first Mrs. World is from Sri Lanka, Ms. Rosifena Nayaka. But after she won, that name still everyone remember. But after that also, there are many people who represented the country in international pageants and made some name to the country being forgotten. One person is Roshan Ranavana, who has been to many pageants. He has been to Grazim International, Mr. World, Mr. International, Manhunt, and one pageant that he went in Turkey, best male model of the world. And he was the first person to become second runners-up, with loads of countries taking part. But he has not been given that recognition in Sri Lanka as a model. Everyone knows him as an actor. Yes. But he came to the industry as a top model and became 8th in Mr. International or some 11th place in Manhunt. I'm not exactly sure about the rank, but who has come in top 15, right? And then Nadika Pereira. In 2007, she went to Spain to this particular pageant called International Best Female Model World, and she won. Emal Ranasinghe in 2009, he went to the same pageant and he won. How many people know about this?
Actually, yes.
Right? And then Gamya Vijayadas, who represented Sri Lanka in Miss World in 2009. She's my good friend. And she is the only person, the first Miss Sri Lanka, who got a chance to perform at the final stage of Miss Sri Lanka, Miss World. So she, out of only 6 countries been selected to show a dance, and she was one person who showed our traditional dance and who became 22nd rank. And she was the top 5 for Beauty with the Purpose, for the social services she has done for her country. No one knew.
Yeah, I mean that is actually new information for us, so many of us.
Right, and then Aruni Rajapaksha, who has been to many pageants and many beauty pageants, and who became 26th in the world rank. Right, and recently Milinda Wickramasinghe, my contestant, who won 3rd place in Miss Earth. So Sri Lanka is like, making name. And now Pushpika Sandamalu went last year for Miss Sri Lanka, for Miss World. She couldn't make a big name there, but again she went to represent the country in China for Miss Tourism. She became 11th. Yeah. So it's a big achievement again. Because even getting into compared to all the top countries which come to this particular pageants, we are like very small. When we went to Miss Earth, everyone thought we are part of India. So I need to show the world map and show them, no, yeah, look, not India, we are down. So some name has been created in the international arena. We are not identifying our own talents and we are not appreciating them. We are always looking at Bollywood and Hollywood and we are just waiting.
Praising them but not doing anything to our country.
Not praising our talents.
Yeah, exactly. So we've actually come to the end of the conversation and I had a lovely conversation. I learned so much of things and I've been going through the experiences you've been going through in my mind. So a lovely conversation. Thank you so very much. And you must be having so many people to thank because you've come so far in such a short time. You can mention names and thank them.
Well, that's a huge list. Right, first of all, I should like to thank, my parents for being so supportive. And normally a person who's coming from a very intellectual background, they wanted you to do more other work than being involved in fashion. But they have been so supportive and understanding, so I should thank them. And some of my friends, especially Kalhari, who inspired me to write. And unless her, I would have not been at this place. And I have to thank my editors, Michelle Gunasekara and Roseanne Dias, for saying yes to anything what I do. And then loads of people, the designers, the models, the makeup artists, the fashion photographers that I worked with, and the people who helped on our wardrobe, training. Everyone. I should thank everyone, because I can't mention every single name because the list goes on. And especially the Almighty God, who's been with me all the time and, been a guiding path for me to come all this way at a very young age.
Definitely. So now, as always, we tell our guests to give us some feedback on the conversation and on the program. So if you might give us some comments about it.
Well, I had a very fun time. So there's no feedback as such. I really enjoyed, but I was wondering whether you all could take this to the next level of introducing, giving platform to the youngsters.
Yeah.
And to bring their talents, hidden talents in fashion and in modeling, and guide them, because it's very important as a media channel that you should guide and show them the right direction. And there are a lot of people who are more experienced than me, who has trained so much of people. Bring them and get them also involved in these type of shows, and I'm really glad that you all invited me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for sparing your busy time for us and to have shared that knowledge with us and all of the viewers who are watching Music Plus today. Well, sadly we have come to the end of today's Music Plus as well as the guest chat. I hope you all had a lovely time and we shared a lot of knowledge. We gave you many music videos to view. Also, you saw some new trailers of a movie. We spoke about designers. So many things went on during this 1 hour. So meet me next week as well. Same time, same place. Till then, goodbye.